Hey class, welcome to this lesson on scripts format, an essential guide for video production. Today we'll explore the two most common script formats used in the industry and how they can help you plan and execute a successful video production. Scripts are the foundation of any great video production. Think of them as a blueprint that keeps your project organized and on track. By having a script, you'll save time during filming and enhance the overall quality of your final product. When it comes to video production, two of the most common script formats are the single column format, often called the Master Screenplay, and the two column script. Each serves specific purposes, and understanding when to use them is crucial for a successful production. The Master Screenplay format, also known as the drama format, is primarily used for dramatic movies and TV shows. This format focuses heavily on the story's visual and emotional narrative, with the visual action typically planned using storyboards rather than detailed written instructions. You'll see this format in feature films and scripted TV series where dialogue and action flow seamlessly, leaving visual and technical specifics to the director and production team. In contrast, the two-column script format is widely used for non-dramatic productions such as music videos, commercials, industrial films, and documentaries. These productions often operate under tight schedules, and the format allows clients or stakeholders to review and approve the visual components before filming. The two-column format is particularly suited for documentaries where much of the footage is shot before the script is finalized, allowing flexibility to incorporate visuals into the narrative. In this course, we primarily use the two-column script format because of its versatility and practicality for planning video projects. The two-column script divides information into two sections. The left-hand column focuses on the visual aspects of the production. This includes the content of each shot, which is described using abbreviations such as MS for medium shot,
Man, I hope you don't get ISS. That would take away your exemptions for the final exam.
MCU for medium close-up shot,
Yeah, I know.
and EXT for exterior scenes, and INT for interior scenes. You'll also include descriptions of any special effects, camera movements, and transitions. The right-hand column outlines the audio elements, including dialogue, sound effects, and music. The content in this column should align with the visuals in the left column. For example, dialogue in the right column should correspond with the characters or scenes described in the left column. When writing dialogue in the two-column format, first you need to start with the character's name, followed by their dialogue. For conversations, alternate between characters as needed. Label new locations clearly when transitioning to a new scene. This structure helps synchronize the script, ensuring that audio and visuals match perfectly. Creating a detailed script before filming serves as a blueprint for your production. It helps you and your team understand how the video will unfold, saving valuable time during shooting and ensuring that the final product meets your vision. Think of your script as a roadmap for your video project. With it, you'll stay on track and avoid costly detours during production and save a lot of valuable time and money. Once your script is ready, it's time to plan your production. Use your script to identify the audio and video equipment needed for each scene. With a solid plan in place, your production process will run smoothly and you'll be set up for success. Well, that's it for this lesson on script formats. Whether you're using the Master Screenplay or a 2-column script, having a well-written script will elevate your video projects. Well, that's all. Thanks for watching and happy filming.
Hey class, thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up and click that subscribe button. Also, follow us on Instagram, X, and Facebook for even more great content.